Hi guys, welcome to day 4 of Affiliate Marketing for Dummies. So we now know what niche we're in. We now know where to get products. We now know what I'm just going to tell you a follow-up email to the product I chose, which is Facebook Leads Machine. I've got 4 emails already written that I want to show you how to make how to put on an autoresponder. So first of all, you click Mailing Boss Autoresponder, and then it goes to this one here. I'm going to show you how to do a workflow, because this is the quickest and easiest way to do 4 emails in a row. Now, yesterday we had Hero List 10, I think it was. So you drag and drop that over, and you choose Hero List 10. Create a new list. No. We choose the list Hero 10. Okay, so that's that one. Then we need a new email sequence, which we're going to call Hero. And we're creating a new sequence just for today's purposes. We're going to call it Hero, new to subscribers only, 4 messages. Create. Okay, look at this. Isn't this cool? It's got 4 emails already there. So all you have to do, look at this, is go into here, emails templates. Oh, hang on. And we'll put this Hero as well. Okay, then let's have a look. Save. Save is your friend. Okay. Hero 1, email template. So all you need to do is get rid of all of that by going Control A, delete. Then we can just, I've got some headers here. Do you want at least 10 Facebook leads a day? Okay. Oh, actually, we don't want the header, do we? It's the right. Email 1. We need the header goes last in this. Sometimes it's first and sometimes it's last. So we need email 1, copy. Whoop. That's the end of the copy. Control C. Control V. And that's really easy. Copy and paste. If you want another image, you can drag and drop an image in or put a button in, but we're keeping it simple. Copy and paste. If you want to put a link in, let's just see. This one should already be there. If you do it right, it's already there, look. The link. So that's the link to my YouTube, and that's the link to my Facebook group. Okay. Right. Have you noticed that? Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put a link in. So we've already captured their email because they're on our email list, and we don't want the capture page. We now just need the sales page. So you Control C, copy link, and then you can put it wherever you like in here. Let's have a look. Look no further. So I'll put it there. Look no further. So you highlight it, paste it, and click the arrow. So watch the leads roll in. Do it again. You do it 2 or 3 times wherever you like inside the email. So I've put it in twice. So in this instance, I've told them about getting leads, and I've also, here, look, get Facebook leads machine now. I'll put another one there. Because that's the product we're promoting. In this instance, I've also put my YouTube channel and my group. So that's the first one done. Save and next. If you've got your email already sussed, that will come up with the email that you've already configured it to. Now you need the subjects here, so you go back to this one and pick one of your subjects. So I choose this one here, and that's your first email done, guys. It's not very hard if you do it this way. Save and next. Right, so that's when they've subscribed, we need it day 0. Okay, day 0 is always day 1 in autoresponder language. And a good tip actually is just put it 1 minute later if you want. So if you're testing it yourself, right, you can send yourself a test message, or if you're asking somebody else to test it for you, because you can't put your own emails in. Save and activate. Now, this is active and this is paused. So let's do this one. This is really quite easy. So you go back into the template. Copy and paste again. Let's go on to the second email. So that's the story that about I failed at Bitcoin. Oh my God. Yeah, everybody gets sucked in, even me. Control V. Now I'm going to show you again how to get the link. Now it's the sales page that you need, which is this one. Control C, copy link, and then scroll up to the top. I think that says, do you want 10K a month? So I'm going to stick the link on that one. It's very good if you put it at the top, guys. Go on. There. Facebook leads machine. Here. I'm so proud of myself. I got a product on Warrior Plus and I'm really excited. So exciting, guys. Right then. So put the, here we go. Put the link there. Let's sometimes it's a bit wibbly wobbly. Right, start again. Link, go. There. Get Facebook leads machine now. There. Done. Save and next. So this is going to be on the second day, which is day 1. Hang on, let's get another title. Let's do that one. It would help if you actually deleted the sequence message first. Oops. Save and next. Save and next. So we want that at day 1, which is really day 2. Activate. So this is quite easy, really. Once you get the hang of it, copy paste, copy paste. We've activated 2 of them. Now we want to do the 3rd one. So let's number 3. I can't spell this. Because if the links are already in here, you can actually put the links here. So I'm just doing this so you can get a feel of putting the links in. If you're on Evernote, you can put them in, and as you have noticed, they're already in on the email. It's Control-C. Number 3, email template. Control-V. Let's see, get the link. Sales page, copy, link. I'm going to actually copy into the 4th one so it'll save time. I'll probably, I've already put it in, look. Right, so get Facebook leads machine. Now, you've got to be careful because that bit has to be up a bit when you click that bit there. So you can put the link in, look. Facebook leads machine, magnet for leads. And that's it. Save. Don't forget to put your name at the bottom, mind you. Obviously, it's not my name, it's your name. So, guys, that was really quick. Copy and paste in the workflow. We've just got to put the last title. The last title, whichever you want to do, whichever one you do. I can actually, let's have a look. This one. There. Save and next. Future subscribers. Day 3. Save and activate. We've missed day 2 out. Not to worry. So email 4 is going to become email 2. Email 4. Here we go. When you're actually copying and pasting some things, put your own spin on it. Otherwise, they happen to go into spam. If there's too many of the same one going out, so I'd highly recommend you change some of the words. All the links are in that one, as far as I know. Let's have a look. Facebook leads machine, yeah. Save and next. So this is going to be on day 2. It doesn't really matter in this instance what order they're in. So I've finished now, guys. All I need to do is the last title. I got inspired when I wrote these. There you go. You can match the title to whichever one you want. So sequence message 4 done. Really, really easy. Control V. It's all done, guys. So that took not very much time at all, didn't it? So we need this in day 2, remember? You might get confused. Future subscribers only, save and activate. You're up and running, guys. That is now live, active, 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 active. Your email sequence is done. So, guys, it's so easy. I hope you found that really easy. Tomorrow's lesson is 10 tools you didn't know you needed, because this is, you haven't seen nothing yet. There is so many things inside this platform that helps you automate your business. I'm so excited to help you and automate your business to make you some money, because it's amazing. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video, and that's it, guys. Bye. Actually, if you haven't already, get your 7-day free trial. You won't regret it, because I'm going to show you some more ninja tips tomorrow.